And being on the road like this is all about being outdoors, doing camping, eating camping food, but also meeting friends. You need it. Wow. People we've known for years on social media, and we travel, and sometimes they appear in our videos. So let's meet Erika and Jaime.
Hello.
Hey!
So two very active members of the tribe, some of my favorite light painters. I really love their style, the way they keep everything super pure. Deep blue skies, very simple and elegant light painting shapes using feathers and basic tubes. And that's my first question. Can you show me your equipment, because this is really DIY,
Sure.
what you did, and it's different from what we do.
My tubes, we have created them with the cheapest thing you can find on the stores. This, especially this one, when you go to the hardware store, this is made with shrink wrap, orange color. This is cellophane, and this one's is just a sticker. This is glued to the tube.
This sticker, this is a sticky material?
Yes.
Okay.
This is a sticky material.
Great. So you're using T12 tubes.
And this is big tube. I don't have the small.
Yeah, that you get at Home Depot, just
Yeah,
like
it's
everyone.
from
Yes,
Home Depot.
Home Depot. This comes from the Home Depot. This particular one, I don't know if it's in the market. My neighbor where I work, another company, he was selling them. This, he called it the 911, doesn't have any label, was the prototype, 900 lumens. That's what I use for the blue hour, and it works barely. I need something stronger.
Yeah, so something very important about that. To get very bright tube, you need to have a flashlight that is about the size of the tube. So in his case, he needs a larger flashlight, as is using T12. Mine are 1 inch for 1 inch tubes, and this is a larger one.
So when I am doing a long exposure with the Milky Way, I just do my move for 2-3 seconds the most, turn it off quick, and let the 8-10 seconds to
I know
get the
that
Milky
trick.
Way. Do you? Do you?
How did you started? Like your first tube light painting pictures?
I started that thanks to you when I ran into your group, the learning group.
You found the group first, not our pictures on I don't know, on the web, or no?
No,
How-
nothing. It was straight from your group,
Okay.
especially that. I was doing other tricks, but not with tubes. Not with tubes. Other tricks, flashing the camera and writing in the air, but nothing that is like this.
Okay. Okay. So what's the goal for tonight?
The goal for tonight is, as always has been, have fun.
I don't like these clouds over there. Sorry. Choose this is going to be super messy in our shots. It's way cleaner over here. We just have to work with the gradient of the sunset over there. But I love this this foreground. We have enough space for the four of us right here, and shooting at about 28 millimeters. So that's the composition. Kim, do you approve?
That's perfect. Well, I really like that we don't really feel the wind
Yeah.
here as well.
Okay, so what I do when I have a glow on one side is that I put the subject on the other side, and sometimes it's fine. Okay, so it would be ready now. It's dark enough. We're at 50 kilometers per hour. That's getting serious. And what a great night again. The wind was blowing very strongly, but it was warm and it was great to meet with these heroes from the Tube tribe. Stop. can't think of what life would be for us without this community. We are connected through this art form, and together we shine the bright lights night after night. Oh, we start to see the Milky Way. Okay, we're moving this way because it's a bit too tight here for the Milky Way. It was a great hour. We got some good pictures.
Yay.
You guys are heroes. It's fun to work with you. I don't think we're going to work with the moon tonight because it's going to be very late, but the Milky Way is going to be, like, it's currently straight, I think, so
It's gonna be straight up.
yeah.
Yeah.
So on the other side,
Vertical.
we have a lot of rocks. It's gonna be super easy. So let's move. As I keep saying, light painting is a lifestyle.
Okay.
Good.
Wow. That's interesting. They speak Spanish between themselves as we speak French, and this video is going to be in English, so why not? Why not?